Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen. And this week in the kitchen, we're going to be cooking delicious meals and having a lot of fun because I'm still decorating. So, as I prepare the house and prepare the meals, I'd love to have you come and visit. So, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
This lantern is absolutely beautiful, and I found it at Walmart. I looked at the wreath that I had already on the mirror in my dining room, and as you can see, it's a flocked wreath with silver and lots of snowflakes and lots of bling. So I thought, well, even though it's a gold lantern, but it's a beautiful gold, that I would add some extra to this lantern to make it stand out. And as you can see, it's a very substantial lantern. I purposely sat it on this round tray. Number one, because I didn't want it to scratch anything. So I found this beautiful flocked garland that I placed around the lantern. It's got lots of berries, lots of pine cones, and just looks like you've just stepped into winter. And you notice that because the tray is silver, it just blends in. Now let's look at on the inside. I placed a candle in the center, a very slim candle, and lots of silvery ornaments. And they are just going to speak volumes in this lantern. Now, I've added a lantern swag that, as you can see, I've tied, and I wanted the back to be as pretty as the front. Now, I haven't showed you the front, you're just seeing the back, but I have tied it on to the little loop at the top of the lantern, and you can see that I found ribbon from the wreath that I could use in this lantern. So I've made a bow, and I've attached it to some of the garland that was left over after I went around the lantern. And to that I've added a few ornaments, a few berries, some leaves, and some little snowflakes. Isn't that pretty? Those snowflakes look like they're falling, and I just love the way it turned out. How pretty! You see how nice and wintry and shiny that these pieces are. Lots of snowflakes, lots of little curls, and lots of bling, which is right down my alley. So when the lights are off and the candle is on and the lantern is sitting there, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Now, in the room, there's the wreath and there's the lantern. They blend together perfectly. And you can see I have a tree in the side and its lights are on. How serene is that? I love the look. It's so quiet and peaceful. I think this lantern actually I could probably use even after the Christmas holiday. When I'm just looking for a snowy touch, I think this is going to be perfect. And it's certainly dressing up my dining room buffet. So I can't wait to turn that little light on, and I can't wait to show you what I've done on the dining room table, because I had to work around and make sure that that dining room table didn't show in this video. You're gonna love it, I promise.
I hope this week has been wonderful for you, and I hope that it's certainly been blessed, that you've had a great time with your family. And I hope that you will certainly continue to view the videos and be a part of the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family. Now, in order to do that, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And while you're at it, since I'm preparing for 2020, please let me know what you like best. Is it the cooking? Is it the decorating? Or is it both? Just let me know in the comments down below. And I'll look forward to seeing you soon in the kitchen.